All right, guys, here's another amazing case, amazing results with tissue regenerative treatment. This is Rochelle. She's had 4 treatments over 4 weeks and had unbelievable results with really chronic rib pain. So in this case, Rochelle, 2 years ago, she plays volleyball with her husband and some friends, and she fell on a volleyball and actually injured her ribs. And it was like, a standard injury, hurts a little bit. But then over time, how did that affect your life? Hurt with every movement?
Yeah, every day.
Had to quit exercising, couldn't do planks because of the rib pain. And so, they've been coming here for a long time, and I always say we have a big tool bag to get people better with lots of different conditions. And so I told you, I could probably get that better. It's a rib problem. It's pretty easy for us. So we did adjustments, scraping, which you love. And there was a lot of scar tissue in there, but we just could not get her through that pain. We just could not resolve that pain. And so, 5 months ago, I got tissue regenerative treatment. So this is 2 years, right? So she's lived with this, and you just kind of felt like you were going to have to live with it forever, right? And so we started this 4 weeks ago, and what percent better do you think you are at this point?
90%.
It's unbelievable. So what it is it shoots an energy wave in there and can get at that damaged tissue and trigger the healing, get the inflammation out. And it's getting to things that I just can't get to. I can't open up a rib cage and get underneath and work on all of that tissue. I can get to what I can here and adjustments and myofascial release. Like I said, we have a huge bag of tools, but just couldn't get to it. And this can get to places we can't get. And she's actually the 4th case with intercostal pain. You can call it intercostal neuritis, whatever. Problems inside the ribs causing severe pain. So now you were able to paint. Zoe said you're able to paint your house, paint a couple rooms, which she wouldn't even think of doing that before. She's going to work on exercising. We've really turned the corner on this. Would you agree?
Yeah.
So you just told a story. After the first treatment, how'd you feel?
I cried because I've not gone a day without pain for 2 years, and I don't even really think about it most days.
She doesn't even think about it. Thinking about it every day, and I felt bad too, because people put a lot of faith in me to get them better, and I was like, I don't know what else to do. I don't know if there's really, if it's inside, who else is going to get that better? So I kind of thought she might just have to live with that, and you don't. So it's pretty emotional for people. So if there's somebody you care about and they have a chronic condition that they just can't get better, we can get a lot of things better without TRT, but what TRT is doing is it's bridging the gap. There's always a little gap of people that you can't get better, and it's really closing that gap. So it's fantastic technology. It is not standard shockwave treatment. You can get $2,000 machines that are shockwave treatment just a fraction of the cost. This is a very expensive machine. It's different technology. It's electrohydraulic coupled with light, coupled with acoustic, coupled with heat. And it does amazing things with the cell, just like a situation like this. So it's not your standard, and I address that because I'll have patients or people will contact me on Facebook or social media and say, oh, I tried that shockwave treatment, it didn't work. It's not the same. They've actually studied that, where they did a study with erectile dysfunction, and then with this machine they took all of the fails with standard shockwave and got 70% of them better. So the worst of the worst. So it's clearly a superior treatment to other ones. I'm the only one in Indiana that has one. If there's somebody you care about and you want to see them get better with the latest technology, the best technology, share this post with them and send them in.